welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making Book's Shepherd Chicken Soup from the Firefly Cookbook. The ingredients we're going to need are some boneless, skinless chicken thighs, 1 leek, the white and light green parts finely sliced, 1 small onion, 1 carrot, and 2 ribs of diced celery. We'll also need 1 tablespoon of minced ginger and 2 cloves of minced garlic. Half of a teaspoon of turmeric, half of a teaspoon of marjoram, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1 cup of pearl couscous, 4 cups of chicken stock, and 1 cup of water. We'll also need a little bit of salt and pepper and some freshly chopped parsley to garnish it once we're done. Alright guys, well let me get you moved over to my stove and we'll go ahead and start sweating down our vegetables. Alright guys, so I've gone ahead and melted all the butter. And I'm going to go ahead and just add my vegetables in, and we're going to allow these to saute and soften for about 5 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of salt right now to allow these to start softening up a little bit quicker. Alright guys, it's been 5 minutes and our vegetables have already started to sweat down very nicely. So at this point I'm going to go ahead and add in the ginger and the garlic, as well as the marjoram and the turmeric. And we're going to let this cook for about a minute or until it becomes fragrant. And while I'm doing this, I would like to remind you of the Gamers and Geeks playlist that JPEG Death and I have going on our channels. It's a community-driven playlist made up of you, our friends, and YouTube family. If you would like to be a part of it, it's really simple. All you have to do is go out and make a cooking video. And once you've done that, post it to your channel and then let other JPEG or I know, either in the comment section of our latest cooking videos, or you can let us know over in our Discord servers as well. The only thing we do ask, guys, is that you mention the Gamers and Geeks playlist somewhere in the video, as well as leaving a link down in the description to it. That way we can continue to support all the people that have already contributed to the list. Alright guys, I think this looks really good right now. It smells nice and fragrant. And I think all we need to do is go ahead and start adding in our chicken. Just going to drop it down in there. Let me get my spatula out of the way. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and cover this with the chicken broth and the water. Bit of mess. There we go. And then I'm going to go ahead and add just a little bit of pepper right now. And I'll probably add a little bit more later. I'm not going to add any more salt. I'll wait until the end before I do that. Let me give it a quick little stir. And then I'm going to cover this and let it simmer for about an hour. That way the vegetables can continue to cook down a little bit more. And the chicken will get cooked as well. Alright, I will see you guys in about an hour. Alright guys, it's been an hour and all I'm doing is removing all the chicken over into a bowl, and I'm going to shred it here in a little bit once it's cooled down. I think I've gotten all of it. There's a few stray pieces in here. Yeah, make sure we get it all. And I'm going to go ahead and add in the couscous now, as well as a little bit more pepper. And I'm going to add in a nice healthy dose of kosher salt. There we go. And then I'm going to let this simmer for about 15 more minutes until our couscous is completely done. While I'm waiting for the couscous to cook, I'm going to go ahead and get our chicken shredded up, and then I'm going to add it back into the pot, and we will get this plated up and see what it tastes like. Alright guys, our chicken soup is done and it smells delicious. I cannot wait to get in here and give this a try and see what it tastes like. I did garnish it with a little bit of the freshly chopped parsley. Oh wow, that was really good. I like the couscous in it. The ginger is very subtle. This is a very good hearty chicken soup. This would go really good with a nice crusty loaf of bread fresh from the oven. But yeah, overall, guys, I really enjoyed this chicken soup, and I definitely will be making it again. Well, that is going to be it for me for the day. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave me a comment down below. If you guys tried this recipe out, let me know how it turns out for you. Remember to check out the Gamers and Geeks playlist, as well as my other Firefly cooking videos. I will leave links down in the description to them. And as always, thank you all so very much for joining me today. I've been Vault Girl. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I'll see you in the next one.